So what's up mga boss? Itong unit pala is DA64V. So yung taillight niya is nasa baba yung square. So modified natin ito ng taillight ng Hi-Ace. Ito yung LED type na taillight ng Hi-Ace, yung running lights. So kailangan ito ipa-body build yung back door saka yung lalagyan ng taillight. Powered by bodybuilder, walang iba kundi si Boss Lalo. Order pala ito ni Sir Randy from Kalingan, Davao City. Fully loaded setup, Lambo design, wraparound body kits. So nag-order pala siya noong February 14. Actually tapos na ito na convert, so ito na lang yung ginagawa yung pag-body build ng taillight ng Hi-Ace. So after nito is sa painting na yan naman.
Flashback.
Ikaw na, boss? Hindi ako sige bilin, boss.
Bunga ya bos, coba sampai sana.